Installation and operation of the bottom-mounted, full-target magnetron coating instrument. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full. Generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. This is the water outlet of the water cooler. This is the water inlet of the water cooler. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the equipment. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the equipment. Connect air compressor air pipe. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. Connect the air pipes in sequence. Tighten the nut. Then tighten it with a tool. Connect the air compressor power supply. Water cooler power supply. Full-in pump power supply. After the two main power cables are connected, turn on the main power switch, then open another. Turn on the vacuum pump. Turn on the water cooler power. Power on the device. Vacuum gauge power supply. Turn on the DCE power supply. DCR power supply. RFE power supply. RFR power supply. Molecular pump power supply. Click to enter the operation interface. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Open the sample stage cover. Mount the sample on the sample stage. Close the flap. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Click to get vacuum. Observe the vacuum value changes. When the vacuum value is below 20%, click to start the molecular pump. The molecular pump frequency will drop from 400 to 0. Then it will rise from 0 to 400 and then run stably. Click here to set the sample stage rotation, setting the speed. For example, 10, you can choose forward or reverse. For example, forward. Click to return. Rotating. To set the sample stage height, click on the sample stage to reset first. Then click on the target distance and enter the value. For example, 20. The actual distance is shown here. The lifting process of the sample stage can be seen through the observation window. If sample stage heating is required, click to set heating. Setting the heating rate. For example, 15. Setting the target temperature. For example, 100. Click to start heating. The temperature will gradually rise. Then click Return. If heating is not required, click here to turn off the heating. When the vacuum meets the process requirements, click to enter cleaning mode. Click OK. Click on argon to set the flow rate. For example, setting 200. Here is the actual value. Click to return. The cleaning time and number of cleaning times are determined according to the process requirements. After cleaning, click to set flow meter. Enter link to turn off the flow meter. The actual value will become the. Click to return. Click to get vacuum. Click Yes. Observe the vacuum value changes. Before coating, click to set target parameters. Then click Settings. There are 4 targets in total. Take NOE as an example. Click on this density first. Set to E. Click Select. Aluminum as an example. Click Select. Click Apply. Then you can see the corresponding parameters are read in. Then click Return. Click to return. When the vacuum meets the requirements, the coating is ready to start. Click to set the argon flow rate according to process requirements. For example, setting 200. Now use DC power supply E to coat. Open the corresponding baffle. Click to set power parameters. Click Power Mode. For example, the power setting is 50. Click here to start. Or click this power switch to start coating. The actual power is shown here. The coating process can be observed through the observation window. After coating, turn off the DC power supply. Close the flap. If it is a non-metallic coating, can be coated with RF power. Take RF power supplier as an example. Set the power, for example 50. Click to return. Open the corresponding baffle. Click Start to start coating. The coating process can be observed through the observation window. After coating is completed, power off. Close the flap. Turn off stage rotation. The speed will become 0. Click to turn off the molecular pump. Click to pick up samples. After the vacuum value reaches the atmospheric pressure of 10,000 Pa, unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Remove the sample. The following is an introduction to the automatic process. Click to set parameters. According to the best process parameters summarized, enter the corresponding parameters. It should be noted that the parameters of flow meter selection. The flow meter selection number is marked on the chamber door. Number E is argon. No R is nitrogen. Number C is oxygen. Enter the corresponding number according to your needs. Click Save after setting. Click OK. Click to return. Then click Start Automatic Process. The program will run automatically step by step. The experiment is completed.